What's going on, guys? Chinedu here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to delete a funnel in ClickFunnels. Now, before we get started, why don't you smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel? Also, bang on that bell to be notified each time I release a new video. Also, there is a link in the description to a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels, which you can use to show how easy it is to build funnels and also delete them if you wish to. Now, the reason you want to delete a funnel is perhaps you have reached the maximum number of funnels in the $97 per month plan, because you have a maximum of 20 funnels. So when you get to your limit, you have a choice of either deleting funnels you are not using or upgrading to ClickFunnels Platinum, which gives you unlimited funnels. Now, let's get into ClickFunnels. So that's the ClickFunnels website, and you log in at the member area at the top, and that brings you to the dashboard. You then click on top where it says ClickFunnels. You go into funnels, and that brings up a list of your funnels. Now, let's use the first one as an example. I'm going to click on that funnel. When that opens up, you go to the settings at the top, and then you scroll right down and you find where it says archive funnel, because what ClickFunnels does is to remove a funnel into a separate folder called an archive. So you click on that, that funnel is taken to a separate folder. You can see at the top there, archived. You click on, so this will be a list of all the funnels that you've removed from your active page. So they're not deleted, which means that in future, if you want to use that funnel again, you just come to this archived folder, and on the right, you can see where it says on archive. So you click on that to restore the funnel. So it's that simple. You can leave all the funnels you're not using in this folder, and if in future you want to bring them back to life, come back here and do so. So guys, it's that simple and straightforward. And if you need any help or any explanations or any queries, put them in the comments below. Now remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also there's a link to ClickFunnels 14-day free trial you can use to get started today. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.